So guys, this is a 2007 Royal Enfield Electra 350cc. This bike is completely modified into an aggressive looking scrambler. Might look like a cafe racer, but it's not one. Cafe racer bikes are slightly different from scrambler bikes. Whereas cafe racers are used for on-road racings between cafes, but the scramblers were designed for both off-road and on-road racings in the early 1960s. And coming to this bike, unlike the normal bikes today, the Electra has different gear shifting and braking mechanism, where it has got brakes on the left side of the rider and gears on the right side of the rider. It might get a bit difficult for a normal rider to ride this bike till he gets his control on it. So today we are going to ride this too. The cost of this bike in 2007 was around 65,000 to 70,000. But in today's market, it might range from 1,20,000 to 1,30,000. The cost of modification on this bike is around 40,000, including all the parts. And I'm going to show you what are the parts used in this bike. Both the rear wheel and the front wheel is fitted with Michelin Cerac 90x110 tires, which gives this bike an aggressive and rugged off-road look. Also, the rear mudguard is cut and made short. It is fitted with all LED tail lamp, including the indicators, which makes the bike look more like an imported bike. The rider seat is designed for only one rider and there is no room for pillion. Sorry girls. The fuel tank is the original one and is painted with matte brown, which gives the bike a whole new look. The split handle on this bike is taken from Honda CBR, which gives the rider more like a racer look than a cruiser look. It has got no extra modification on the handle except the LED light switch. Both the wheels are of spoke types and are painted black on the rims. There is one LED projector headlamp too on this. So guys, that is all about the modifications on this cast iron Royal Enfield Electra. It's time to take a ride on now.